Okay. Well, we back at it again. We got reconditioned our hooks now because we found out that we weren't hooking far enough back, so the transmission get off the holders back there. Now he's just jacking it up now. Well, we gotta grab one more log chain for the front here. We will.
Bring that. We'll unhook it. We'll come up here a little bit more with that hook. Just reposition that hook. There we go. Now we'll try it.
This here must be a Monday motor. It is.
Yeah. Be stubborn.
It's not doing it. It's gonna keep that one side up first. It's stuck down here now.
There it comes.
Hold on. You're bending it now.
We're a little bit.
There you go. Now keep pulling it out.
Alright. Hold on, Mags.
Go a little higher, Nick.
Higher now?
Yep. Higher. Go up, pull it.
Hold on, it's coming right out.
I gotta be hitting back here now on the
Firewall?
firewall, yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Power's sinking in. Here. Set the old video out here so when you guys watch, just pull it on out.
Make sure you can see it.
Here, hold on. Here, hold this. Well, if you want the girl, I'll take a picture. Hold it.
Well, this is the motor right here.
Right here.
I had the tranny coming out. And the motor on this side.
Here we go. Come here. You're gonna hold the video so you can see us in here, okay? Stand right here. Hold it like this, okay? Just make sure you can see us, okay? Can you see us in it?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Let's give her a pull back now.
I'm sure she's hard on the camera.
I know how to do it. You do it.
Oh, we should have put that board underneath like how we thought.
Oh yeah.
All right, ready?
Hold on.
Yeah.
This wire over here.
'Cause
Whoa! That's why we're catching on.
What?
We got a wire harness over here. That's why
what are you
we're
doing, Nick?
You got them flippers over here, we do.
and we're stuck in my shifter linkages too.
That's two kind of major deals, guys.
What are you doing?
There. So we'll bring the camera right over here. We'll show them what we're stuck on so everybody can see.
This is what we were stuck on. We're stuck on this wire harness for the ignition switch. We are. Then we were stuck on this the shifter linkage for the 3-speed transmission. We kind of stuck between the steering column and the thing.
That's right here.
I know. We gotta push it behind it.
Yeah.
We gotta push the part in.
Push it in a little bit.
I want to put it.
Can you get behind her?
A little more.
You can take a few
Shit. Fuck.
Don't be swearing. There we go.
We're still stuck right here.
What is that?
And that's for the neutral.
Hey, you turn that
No,
up.
I'll push it right back in. We just let her down a little bit. We'll go right down.
I want to
Take it easy.
take a view of that. Dad, can I take a video
I'll be right on it, Nick.
of that? What's going up? This pain, I don't know what's called. Randall, going up. His dad's cutting.
We can probably just cut the wires, probably.
Yeah, we're gonna cut the wires.
Those wires are pretty much
Where's
toasted.
that clippers at?
I just want to take a view though. Sunshine.
Not right there. You just take that clip off down there.
Oh, yeah.
I get the
We're gonna
inside
put our
of it.
pliers down there and clip that.
I'm gonna bring that. I'm on it.
Take your high tech off.
Oh, this is my nice thing right here. Bolt cutters to cut off the lines.
Oh, see how quick that was, guys? 2 seconds, we had it clipped.
You know, just accessories. There's a whole lot of light down there. I'm gonna climb the cab and.
I'll hold the deal so everybody can see.
Watch out, Riggs.
We're just gonna unhook that right down there.
No, I can get this side.
You gotta do the other side too.
Oh, it's coming.
There we go.
Put that in the parts bucket.
That's this little parts bucket right here.
Oh, hold on. There we go.
There.
You got another one. Here, shine a light down here. We gotta get this one out too, or something.
I know.
What's she stuck on up there? That one.
Oh, just a little wedged right here.
That one there. We can probably put that one down here.
Is there a linkage back there on that one too? Right here, there's one. Just take this one off right here.
Yeah, but I want to keep them all on. I'm gonna forget how to put it back on.
Well, we gotta go a certain spot. We got it all on video.
I just got here. I can't get on the inner side of it. Oh, hold on. There's another one down here.
I know. No, I know.
Find it down there.
Yeah. It's right over here.
Whoa. Whoa. Ew, guys.
I'll just take that top one off.
Yeah, I'll come out there and get it then.
You think I can just lift up that motor a little bit and turn it just a hair? Get that off.
I think this clip a little rusty, guys.
We've been on there for 60 years.
Here, just fold it.
Light out over here. So
Be careful that light. That light was zappy, guys.
this light is a high-tech light. If you ever want a morning wake-up call, you just touch this light and it should light you up.
Oh yeah, trust me on that one. I was about half asleep in here one night and got to touch that light. That light wakes me right up. There we go.
All right, we're on the other side now.
It's all bent, but I got it. Just yank that thing out, then I'll pull that thing in.
All right, we'll jack her back up. Looks like we're all free.
Yep. Pull ahead now. We're hitting the frame. She's ready. Here it comes. Go up a little higher.
Higher?
Yeah.
There's a little
Oh, well, that train is gonna hit that frame up there. There we go. We're good. All the way out now.
I have to hook this too.
Oh yeah, we got to hook this safety linkage.
That's your thermometer, your pedometer probably.
My speedometer right here, boys.
I'm pretty sure.
Well, we can yank it all the way out. It's like a 5-foot cord. Be careful out the window. Window, be careful.
Give her a push.
That's heavy. Oh, and this one down here is the parking brake's still on here too. The parking brake. It's a parking breaker.
Yeah. What are you gonna do with that?
I don't know. I just cut it, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have to get a new one because he ain't never gonna do that.
Just cut it off. My parking brake right there. It's probably still good, probably.
Yeah, if I just have to unscrew it. We'll give her a little more pull out. Doesn't help out we don't have concrete on here on the floor.
Oh yeah, we got a custom dirt floor it
Yeah,
is.
it's dirt floor, so she's pulling out a little hard. Give her a little pull.
There's some stuff there.
Ready? We should put a little board back here. Here, get out here. You know, like.